The new Alpha H Healthy Scalp Exfoliating Treatment is one of the products released over the last few years that focus on, well, a healthy scalp. Scalp health is getting more and more attention as we collectively realize that a healthy scalp, which is basically just skin with a high density of hair follicles, is the key to healthy hair. But is it actually working for shinier, bouncier hair? How do you use it and whom is it best for? Let's talk. If you're new, you're welcome. I'm Dr. Anne, a physician passionate about skincare and well-aging. According to the brand, it will only take a minute to freshen up and balance your scalp, which will then lead to smooth and healthy hair with body and shine. The product itself is slightly milky and has more body to it than water would have, but still is easy to distribute. I found when massaging it in, it would almost feel a little gelish and also lather up a bit. It has a beautiful subtle scent, fresh and green, and that scent lingers in the hair after washing, depending on how strongly fragranced the rest of your hair care is, of course. As it is a pre-wash, you are supposed to apply to dry hair. To do that, you part your hair, twist the nozzle open, you have a little control over the strength of the flow by how wide you open it up, and then run it along the part. Then change your part and repeat until your head is mostly covered, which is when you start massaging it in. That can feel a little weird initially, but the product quickly dries down while you let it sit anywhere between 1 and 10 minutes before you hop into the shower and wash your hair. On the website, you advise that a little tingling can be experienced, but even when pushing the 10 minutes, because I was busy, I never experienced that. One thing I noticed immediately was with this pre-wash applied, my shampoo lathered more than it normally would. It is called a BHA treatment, so salicylic acid is obviously present in the ingredients, according to the brand website at a concentration of 1%. There is also gluconolactone, a polyhydroxy acid, and lactic acid, but if they add any exfoliating isn't something I can say. There is also glycerin, a humectant, and a bunch of plant extracts with antioxidant benefits, out of which the Leptospermum scoparium branch oil is said to have antimicrobial properties. The product is fragranced and contains hexocinamide, limonene, and linalool as part of the plant extracts. I might not be the best person to test the Alpha H Healthy Scalp Exfoliating Treatment, as my hair might lean towards oiliness, but I don't have any scalp issues like flaking, itching, or inflammation, at least not that I'm aware of, so I can't comment on how well it works for those conditions. It left my scalp feeling clean but not stripped though, and seemed to give me a little more time between washes, especially when used after a sweaty workout. It is still too early to comment on hair health changes, as that would take months to see, but as it only takes a little time and is way less messy to use than a traditional scalp scrub, I can say I do enjoy it a lot. If there's anything you would like to add, please do so in the comments below. I will link to more videos you might find interesting on the screen, and add links to my Instagram and blog in the description box. And if you want exclusive Q&As, behind-the-scenes content, or just get more involved, become a channel member. I would love to have you join the community. See you soon. Bye!